Good evening, all. This is just a quick market recap. It's now Monday, the 20th of February. I missed doing the weekly analysis. I had internet difficulty at the hotel I was staying at, and then throughout the day I've just been a bit busy and had other few technical issues. So here we are. I'm just going to do a quick rundown of a few currency pairs that I think are going to be good movers for this week, and we'll take it from there. First of all, I wanted to just have a touch on gold. Gold, last week we finished off below the most recent high. We closed below it. We had a bearish engulfing candle. I do believe we're going to be shorting this pair into this trend line. If we go to a smaller time frame, you can see that we're currently in a descending wedge formation. There's a lot of uncertainty in the market. You can see all the dojis there. Okay, again, we thought we had a little breakout. We're back down again. I'm expecting this to break to the short side and take a short position, even if we run it until the 1,340 mark. But again, this is something that we're looking at this week. Quickly, Euro USD. Last week we did actually break above the most recent high, created an all-time new high. We did end the week off with a bearish engulfing pattern. As you can see here, I did have a level of support that I believed that it would go to. Today it has reached that level. That was my target there. It's reached it. We're now still trading underneath the 20 moving average and the 50. Alternatively, we are trading above the 200. So we're in a bit of a trading sideways movement here. And whether we're going to break to the upside and make a new high, or whether we're going to break this trend line to go to the next trend line is to be seen this week. So this is a pair we'll be watching for any sort of breaks to either go short or long. Pound USD, again, this is the same sort of thing we had with Euro USD. Only thing is we didn't break the daily trend line. As you can see, we did have a good week last week, having 4 consecutive good days, and then we finished off on one negative day. We are printing as we speak a doji candle. As you can see, there's a lot of indecision in the market, and we're currently trading in this expanding channel. So we're either going to get a push to the upside, a break to make a new high, or alternatively we're going to break to the downside back to this trend line support. So again, we're still waiting for a break on a smaller time frame to give us a signal whether we're going to go long or short. Aussie USD, again, another pair that's been on a bit of a charge in the most recent weeks. Last week, again, same thing as Pound USD. We had 4 positive days and a negative day. And then again, we can see we've got some indecision in the market here. Go to a smaller time frame. And you can see we're still in the same sort of wedge formation. If we had to take our Fibonacci tool, the most recent high to the recent low, we'll see we're currently sitting on a 61 retracement. So we should possibly get to a 38 before we start seeing any move up. Alternatively, if we have a break of this trend line, then I will expect a new high to be formed this week. So this is another one to watch out for. New Zealand USD. This pair has been on a good run. You can see for the past couple of weeks we've had a lot of bullish action, a small pullback, and then now we've had last week again a lot of bullish momentum and then a negative day on Friday. So again, you can see just in the market we're printing another doji here on the daily time frame. So there's a lot of indecision in the market at this current point in time. So again, we're just waiting for breaks. As soon as we get a break, we'll probably go long or short on a retest. USD CAD. Okay, this pair got hammered for a number of days, and then for the last 2 or so weeks, we've actually had a lot of bullish action. We've had a lot of rejection at this 126 level, as you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4 days where we pushed price up, and the bears just came back into the market. Again, we're in this sort of descending channel, or flag as you would call it as well, and here we've got a bullish engulfing pattern. So my indication is that technically we should end up going long on this pair. Time will tell. USD JPY, the yen has been incredibly strong lately across all the pairs. So for this, we're just going to watch for another break. Again, the markets are not really deciding what they want to do at this present time. We've got a bullish hammer, and we've now got another positive day. So again, we're still looking for some more upside, possibly to this 108 level, before we can either have another fallback down, or if we break this level, then we'll go up to the next trendline support, resistance. Sorry. Aussie JPY. Okay, this pair printed a head and shoulders formation on the daily time frame. We broke the trend line, the neckline. We closed below, but now obviously we've had a positive day, and we have got an inside bar printed on a daily time frame. So on a technical basis, depending on how the markets open up in Asia, we could have an extension, also a rally to the 23 before we come back down. So again, just waiting for those breaks. Today there was not much movement in the market. Took a one last pair, pound Aussie dollar. Okay, this is one that I'm looking at quite closely. We've got a double top, and we've got a head and shoulders formation. So again, we're sort of trading around this right shoulder area, wanting a break below this level, and then a break of the neckline, and then we should get a drop to around this level, 172. So that's just a quick market recap of what we're looking at this week. I will do some more currency pairs later in the week, seeing as there's been a short video. But thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a good one.